Florida is covered in springs of all different sizes, and the clean water is what drew many settlers here to the area. But where did they all go? Are any of the original wells still flowing? I started researching and exploring old maps in hopes of finding some old watering holes, and maybe I'll find some clean water along the way. Today, I'm taking my brother along with me on his first ever spring hunting excursion to revisit one of my favorite and most unique springs in the area. I first visited this spring back in 2021, but this time I'm keeping my eyes open for a little more than just a spring. All right, we're right down here. It's literally, ow! There's a thorn in there. So this hike is, oh yeah, and we didn't check the weather before leaving, but we weren't gonna let that stop us. See how it just drops off? Right where that lightning hit. Yeah, cool. Man, this is more dense than. Yeah. You see the banana trees? I thought I felt it. Look at that thing. Watch out on that.
What?
This. See the thorns on this thing?
Oh, jeez.
There's a trail going that way. So here's part of it. You can see the. Man, these vines went nuts. Holy crap, man. There's a whole river down in there.
Yeah, how was supposed to walk through that?
I need to go around it. This changed so much. This used to all be banana trees. These vines are killing everything.
Want to go like to the right?
I think there's a trail. It seems like there's a trail that way.
That looks like it just goes up.
But I think it goes up and around it. Yeah, because I can see the river down there. Or I can just, yeah, let's, I think that way.
I wish I had a jacket. Comfortable about just pushing through. Wow, it's
Got a nice little whiskey bottle. Sometimes I wonder how, okay. Man, it's dense. Yeah, you can see. I can see the spring. They look right through there. You see the light sand in there?
I see water.
Yeah, that's it. All right, we'll go this. Oh man, this is crazy.
It seems like the only way to it is through it.
Let's go, Christopher Columbus. I'm worried about us getting in there and then it freaking downpouring and not being able to get out.
See any type of pathway through?
No. It's just thick vines. Oh man, I actually think the way you said earlier might be a better route. Man. Hey!
What? Oh, tree frog?
What's up, little buddy?
Oh God. It's slippery, almost fell. Okay, I was going the back side. This is the right way, I think.
I told you, man.
You did tell me, honestly. You're a natural. You're officially hired to be on all my excursions.
Whoa.
Hey, don't fall.
I'm not a very graceful person, so. Oh, there it is. My man's right there.
Sweet. Let's walk through the rainforest.
The first time we would have been there about 10 minutes.
I was going the most difficult way possible. Yeah, I think going wide, because this is all, look at, like standing water. So if we go wide, we can take that ground or up and around.
Seems like there's a little.
Yeah, yeah, go that way. I'm down for that.
Backtrack?
Again. Ooh. Man, it's crazy how, first off, dense this is. This is, I feel like I'm in Costa Rica right now. We are here at the smelly spring run. How are your shoes completely waterproof?
Yeah, for the most part. I mean, obviously, if you get through, like,
I think if we walk carefully.
there's fish.
What? We're not going in here. I just wanted to show you.
Alright, cool. Oh man, dude, it smells like boiled eggs.
You can't see it, but there is a small bubbling spring in here. So this is on a map from the 60s. It was marked as flowing well. And I noticed that there's like a buildup of rocks here, like creating a dam. And I'm curious if someone did that or if it's like, if this was a spot for a well at one point.
So a little backstory on this one. Originally, while reviewing an old map, I found a few different spots marked flowing well. The area of this specific well, which I'm calling Well A, was very close to the area of this spring, so naturally I assumed it was the same location. Well, after this hike, while continuing my research, I found a second map that coincides with the previous map. This completed the area and actually lists this spring on it, meaning Well A is actually about a mile east from this spot.
No, we didn't. We're not on the same trail. That's our old trails down there. But we are gonna go over the tree now. Oh, look at those mushrooms. Those are beautiful. Oh, they're nice and healthy. Oh, that is a hollow tree. It's a little faster.
So we found a spring and we explored the dam, but we still haven't found a well. I don't consider this hike a bust, frankly, because any time spent out in nature with your brother is time well spent. I learned a little bit more about the terrain, I was able to spend time studying the man-made dam, and I added a few more pieces to the puzzle. Hopefully, this puts me a little bit closer to finding our first well.